back in Colorado, I was having a house built, and some things fell through. With them, it wasn't bad, but with you guys, it was just, everything was just hand in glove. My name is Josh Owensby, and I live in the Nichols Creek community. We took a drive out to one of your other places just to kind of get a feel, and talked with one of your representatives there, and everything looked nice, everything seemed nice, and so he's like, well, here, go to Nichols Creek, and that's kind of the home you're kind of looking for. That's the model there. Went in there and was like, oh my gosh, I love this. This is great. The landing was the thing that got me, was, you know, you put your backpack and your shoes and everything's like, this is cool. So yeah, after that, it's like, okay, well, we'll start really seriously looking here. It's the quality of the materials, the craftsmanship. There are a couple things that kind of came up with my 90-day walkthrough. Hey, we'll take care of it, no problem. I mean, working with Tabor, how it's built, everything is really nice. And of course, the landing is the best part. So I've already had the 90-day. Very friendly gentleman came in, addressed a few concerns. And with any new construction, anything new, there's going to be little things here and there. Took care of it, no problem. You know, we'll get this taken care of. It's been, again, effortless. They've taken care of everything, and I'm confident that if I have any issues, that I could give you guys a call and go, hey, you know, this is happening, or this took place. You guys will be right out there. So it's nice.